Hey guys, Miss Vinegar here today, and yes, I did get my hair cut. We are going to be talking about the text structure of cause and effect. Before we do that, let's review what a text structure is. This is the way an author organizes his or her writing so that the reader can better understand the text. So why is this important, you ask? Identifying cause and effect in text is important because it helps us understand what and why events are happening. The cause is what happens first, but it's not always written in the text first. It also tells us why something happened in the text. To identify the cause in a text, ask yourself, why did this happen? The effect is what happens after the cause. It tells us what happened as a result of the cause. Let's go ahead and look at some examples of cause and effect relationships. Ahmed hit the ball in the wrong direction. The neighbor's window shattered. Which is the cause? Which is the effect? The cause is that Ahmed hit the ball in the wrong direction. This shows us why the effect, the neighbor's window shattered, happened. Let's use an example we've talked about this week. The Constitution was signed in 1787, and the Constitution has kept our government strong for 200 years. Which is the cause and which is the effect? The cause, the Constitution was signed in 1787, is what happened for the effect the Constitution has kept our government strong for 200 years to happen. Let's use another subject we've talked about in class. Polar bears are losing their natural habitat. The polar ice caps are melting at an alarming rate. Let's figure out which one is the cause and which one is the effect. This time I listed the effect first. The cause that the polar ice caps are melting is having the effect that polar bears are losing their natural habitat. Sad but true. We have some signal words that we can look for cause and effect relationships in text. Some of these words are so, therefore, if, then, because, due to, since, as a result, and consequently. We all know what consequences are. Not good. You're probably wondering, what does cause and effect look like in a paragraph? Don't worry, I got you as usual. Many people think that they can get sick by going into cold weather improperly dressed. However, illnesses are not caused by temperature. They are caused by germs. So, while shivering outside in the cold probably won't strengthen your immune system, you're more likely to contract an illness indoors because you will have a greater exposure to germs. I saw some of those signal words in there. Yep, however, so, and because are all signal words for cause and effect. Let's look at two pieces of text evidence from that text that show cause and effect. Illnesses are not caused by temperature, they are caused by germs, and you're more likely to contract an illness indoors because you will have greater exposure to germs. Which one is the cause statement? Which one's the effect statement? So the cause is that illnesses are not caused by temperature, they are caused by germs. And it has the effect that you're more likely to contract an illness indoors because you will have greater exposure to germs. Cause and effect happens all the time in our everyday lives. For example, Ms. Vinegar cut off all of her hair. That would be an effect of the cause, because being in quarantine made her super bored and she needed a change. It happens. I hope this lesson was helpful in helping you guys identify cause and effect relationships when you read. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.